Dongguan Dajiang Electronics Company Limited, established in 2007, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of DC plug, audio connector, 6.35 mono and stereo plug, Type-C connector, DC adapter. We are located in Dongguan with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including injection molding machine, wire cutting machine, soldering machine. In addition, we have obtained certificates. ROS, ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, Britain, France, Denmark, Poland, Brazil, Russia, South Korea, Thailand, Vietnam, India. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.
Dajiang Electronics Company Limited, specializing in the production of various types of audio, video, DC, mobile phone, and computer products. We design and manufacture all kinds of DC and audio plugs, DC power cables, audio cables, and also USB connectors and cables, such as 5.5mm DC power plug, 5.5mm DC female jack, 3.5mm audio connectors, audio jacks, 6.3mm audio connectors, 5521 DC power cables, and so on. We have exported our products to many countries, such as United States, Canada, UK, Germany, France, Poland, Netherlands, Norway, Italy, Japan, South Korea, and so on. Our products are highly praised by our customers. Dajiang Electronics Company Limited has 14 years of experience in developing and manufacturing DC plugs. We have established a quality management system to meet the requirements of the International Quality Management System. Dajiang Electronics Company Limited is fully in line with international standards, integration of global resources, and the world synchronization. Dajiang Electronics has been adhering to the tenet of quality first, customer first for many years. We have professional team to provide customers with first-class products, first-class quality, and first-class services wholeheartedly. We always adhere to the principle of making friends with customers. Let's connect together, share together, and grow together.